Great day to all. So for today's lesson, we will do the floor plan here. So if you can see, there is already a dimensions there and exterior wall and interior wall. So previously, we already created the dimensions, interior wall, exterior wall, layer properties, right? Then we already created the annotation. So this is the setup. So you can screenshot symbols, text, feet, and primary units. Alright, so we can now start. So don't forget to set current. Then, of course, the units, type units, UN, make sure that your drawing units is on architectural type. So the precision is 0 and 1/2 inch. So when you're done, we can proceed to this exercise.
On this exercise, we can use lines or rectangle to create the square. So for example, if you want to create a square directly, you can type rectangle. So rectangle, to create rectangle, type REC, rectangle. Then click specify corner. Then type D, dimension. Then type, since the measurement is 40 feet, so you can type 40 feet. Then another 40 feet, height and width. Then enter. So that's the first one. Or you can create a line. So type L, line. You just create a square. So first line at the top, 40 feet. Then 40 feet again. Then 40 feet. Then another 40 feet. Okay, so you've seen the two options for this exercise, rectangle and lines. So if you wanted to see if the measurement is correct, you can go to the layer dimension, then click the measurement, this one, linear, then just snap here, end to end point. So in this measurement, 40 feet is correct. So it means you can also check the width or the height, rather, linear, end to end point, then another 40 feet. So this is very important to know if your measurement is correct. The next thing you need to do is to offset the square. So type O. Make sure that you're on the layer exterior wall for you to group properly the lines. Okay, so the next one, we will offset the rectangle. So just click, just type O for offset. Click the object. Usually the thickness of this one is 12 inches. Okay, so after that, we can now create all the dimensions on the drawings for you to know where is the location of the windows and doors. So for this one, we need to go to layer and make sure that you put it on the dimension, group it on the dimension. So just click the linear and just follow the measurement on the drawing. So for example, dimension linear, make sure you group it on the dimension, layer dimension, then go to dimension linear, then click first, then click type 8 feet, then press space to repeat your last command. 8 feet again, eight feet. The next one is 8 feet again, 8 feet, space. Next, the door is 6 feet, 6 feet, 6 feet. Then the last one is 10 feet, space, then 10 feet. You can now start the left measurement. So it's 8 feet again from here, 8 feet, then 15 feet, enter, 15 feet, then 17 feet, enter again, repeat the last command, 17 feet. So next you can do below. So the measurement below is 9. So dimension linear, snap it, then 9 feet, another space to repeat the last command, 9 feet, then 9 feet again, and so another 9 feet, space, 9 feet, then space again, 4 feet, enter. You can now start the right side. You can now start at the top, so 10 feet. So dimension linear, snap it, 10 feet, another 10 feet, space to repeat the command, 10 feet, snap it there. Next is 3 feet, snap it there, and another 10 feet again, 10 feet, then the last one is 7. So you've now created the exterior wall and the dimension. So you can now trace the windows and doors. So for you to trace it, so just go to lines. You can create a temporary line here. Just create a line here and snap it here. Line, another line. So actually you can use copy CO for you to copy the lines that you created. So click, you enter, then you just put it here. It's better if Oops. Copy. Click the lines that you want to copy, then enter, then same thing on the side, just create a line here, enter, then here, then underneath you can create a line, snap, 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 and snap. Same thing on the right side, snap, 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 and snap. After that you can now twin the windows, type TR or TR for trim, then you can just erase the doors and window side here for the windows, for the windows. So the next is you can create the window now. So if you want to create another layer, just click layer properties, then just type windows. Just put it on the default. Then of course the doors for you to group the doors. Then what else? That's it. So another layer for the windows and doors. Then since you created the windows layer, so you can go here and go to the window layer. Then you can now create a line for the windows. So line, make sure that you turned off the auto. Then you can create another line again here for your windows. So same thing. Oh, this is the door. So this 15 inches is the another window. So you can put lines here, then here. Then another window here. Here. Oh, create a line. Here. Then on the right side, you can just snap it. Then snap, and snap it here. So you can you can just erase the other line. Alright, so since we already created the windows, the next thing to do is to create the door here. Okay, for you to create the door, just create another line here. So door is usually 3 feet. Then on the other side, 3 feet again, line. Then you can create, it's 3 feet. Then you can create another, or you can create a temporary line here for you to get the center. Then you can use the arc, start and direction, midpoint. Then same thing here, start and direction. That's it. Okay, so you already did the door. So let's proceed on the interior walls. So first, to do the interior wall, just measure the dimension first, the inside dimension, where you can locate the interior walls. So first, you can measure this one, 20 feet. 1. Then next, B, 3 feet. Snap it. Then another 3 feet. Snap it again. Then the last one, the 12. So you can now see where's the interior located. So you can adjust this for you to have a twist. Then you can create a dimension again. Just put 17 feet. Since you already have the dimension accurately, so you can put go to your interior wall group with under the layer properties. Then you can just create another line here. Then here, snap it on at the index. Then line, then line. Alright. Then after that, you can offset it. To 6 inches. One, then this one. Okay. You can adjust this here, because there's only a face, measure face. Okay, then for this one you can trim PR. Then you can create a line for you to make a door. Then trace PR again, trim, sorry. Then PR trim, then you can trim it. Okay. Then after that, you can create the door. Make sure that you group it on the door. Then you can create a line again. Usually it's at 3 feet. Then you can use the arc again. Start and direction. Start and direction. So that's it. We already created the floor plan. So this is the exercise for today. I hope you would follow. It's just an easy task. So yeah, you can repeat it and watch it. Then I forgot to remove this. So you can just erase the line, click the lines, then erase. And that's it. Alright, see you on the next activity. Thank you.